Hey guys, this is Siddhi from Best of Beauty. So today's video is gonna be the giveaway video. So as you guys know that I had been to Dubai and I picked up a few things for you as well, and as I had promised, I am gonna do a giveaway for you guys, and this video is all about that. So in this video I'm gonna tell you all what things you're gonna win, and obviously I'm gonna tell you all the rules as well. So let's get started. The reason I wanted to host this giveaway is because I am just so thankful for all of you guys. The love and support has been just immense. So thank you so much for all those lovely comments, and this is like my way of thanking you guys. So hope you like all the things that I got, and let's get started. So the first thing that I got you guys is this Bath and Body Works set, and this has a shower gel, then this has a body mist and a body lotion as well, and this is what it looks like. As you can see, the packaging is adorable, and Bath and Body Works, the products are really good quality and I absolutely love these, and the scent is also really nice. So that's why I got you this little set. It's really cute. And the second thing that I'm going to give you guys has to be extremely exciting, and I'm sure that you guys are going to love it. And this is actually the Sephora Color Encyclopedia, and this is what it looks like. So it looks like a nice book. The moment I saw this eyeshadow palette, I knew I had to pick it up for you guys because the colors are just stunning and the quality is also really good, and it's very compact as well, and you get a lot of eyeshadow colors in this. So obviously you guys might be wondering how this eyeshadow palette looks like from inside, so you guys know what you're going to win exactly. So I am going to show it to you. So I don't own this eyeshadow palette, but I need to show you guys how it looks like. So I'm just going to take it out from the packaging and just show you guys. But don't worry, I'm going to keep it back inside, not going to use it, not going to damage it whatsoever. This is a new palette, but I really want you to see what you're going to win and how the colors are, because it's really good. So this is how it looks like. I'm just going to show it to you on camera so that you believe me, and I just take it off like this. Okay, isn't it stunning? Oh my god, love this. And then you just have to take this off. This is like a diary sort of a thing, and then you open this up. Are you ready? Are you ready for it? And then you get this nice mirror over here, which is really good quality, and it's huge as well. And this is how the whole palette looks like. Okay, here you get the mirror, and then here you have your eyeshadows. Okay, so you have a nice combination of shimmers and mattes as well, and this is absolutely stunning. You have every possible shade in this, so this is perfect for a beginner as well, or even if you love makeup, this is like a dream come true because the colors are just stunning, and the quality of these eyeshadows is really good. It's very tempting, but I am not going to use it. Obviously I have got this for you guys, and I'm just going to keep it back inside so you all know that I haven't used it. So this is what you guys are going to win. I hope you guys liked it as much as I do, and now let's get on to the rules of winning all of these things. So I am just going to keep it extremely simple and nothing complicated. So first is you have to be a subscriber of my channel, because obviously this is for my subscribers. So make sure that you subscribe right now if you haven't already. The second thing that you guys have to do is follow me on my social media. So make sure you follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. The handle is bestofbeauty29. I'm obviously going to link it in the description box below as well. So you just have to click on that, and then it'll direct you to my social media, and you just have to follow me over there. And you obviously have to add me on Snapchat as well, because I'm going to announce the winner on Snapchat, and the username is Siddhi. So make sure you do that. It's mentioned again in the description box, so it's much easier for you guys to go and check in the description box and just follow me. Third and the last rule is that you are supposed to share this particular video, which is this giveaway video, on your Facebook account, and make sure you tag me as well, which is at Best of Beauty, because otherwise I won't come to know if you shared the video or not. So make sure you tag me, and don't forget to use the hashtag Best of Beauty giveaway so that it's much easier for me to check everybody's posts. So those are all the rules that you need to follow to win this giveaway, and there is going to be only one winner, so really sorry about that, but I'm going to do these kind of giveaways very often, so don't worry. Also, I'll be announcing the winner on the 15th of January, which is going to be 1 week from now, and I'm going to announce the winner on Snapchat as I said, so make sure you add me so that you know who's going to be the winner. So this is it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it, and make sure you do participate as well, because let me tell you, these products are really good. And obviously tell your friends as well, so share this video with them so that they are aware about the giveaway as well. And let's just make this video viral and help Best of Beauty to grow together. And thank you so much for the love and support again, and I will see you in the next one. Love you.